Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to create a brand account on CoPack Connect, the #1 AI-RFQ online website for professionals. CoPack Connect is an online platform that connects brands with contract manufacturers and packaging partners, helping companies find the right production partners quickly, and is always free for brands. No fees, no expiration. Let's start the registration process. To begin the registration process, open your browser and go to the CoPack Connect brand registration page. You will see the Create an Account form. Make sure the correct role, brand, is selected at the top of the form. You can now begin to enter your personal information. Enter first name and last name. Next, add your professional details, your professional role, company name, and your company email. This identifies your brand on the platform. Company email accounts are required to help ensure authenticity. Finish the form by selecting your country from the drop-down menu and creating a password. Make sure your password is secure. Lastly, before submitting, check the box to accept CPC's terms and conditions. You are now ready to submit the registration form. Once your account is created, you will receive a verification email. If it does not appear in your mailbox within a few minutes, please check your junk or spam folder. You can use our online contact form if you need assistance. Once approved, you may create RFQ, request for quotes, through your membership page when you log in. Manufacturers can respond to your project requests. And that's it. You have successfully created your brand account on CoPack Connect. Now you can start connecting with manufacturers and growing your brand. If this guide helped you, don't forget to watch the next video for more tutorials. And remember, CoPack Connect is always free for brands. No fees, no expiration. And always ready to help brands and private labels find the right contract manufacturers to make their products. Visit copackconnect.com today and get started.